ngibingelela nonke egameni lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu waseNazaretha.
Amen.
Igama lami Emihle Wabangwane. Ngime apha phambili nginobufakazi. Ngizobonga uNkulunkulu ngokugcina, ngokungikhusela kule environment entsha endaba kuyo. And okay, ngisafika. It was like every day was a sad day. It was not a happy day. I was away from home. Number two, Matric were making us do these things and we didn't get rest. Yeah, but and then the other day we were back from chapel. So okay, fine, we're back from chapel. And then I wasn't planning on going to SFC. It's a Christian church now. I wasn't planning on going there. And then njengoba ngayanga ndasala ngikhuleka. And then ndakhuleka. And then from that day on ndakhuleka nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu angincede ukuthi ngibe nepeace, because honestly I wasn't liking the place. I wasn't liking the people. Yeah, well, so actually not that I wasn't liking the people, I wasn't liking how they were acting. So no, that day ndakhuleka, that's uNkulunkulu makandiphe peace. And then from that day on, every day was just a happy day. Even if things were not going my way, I was just happy, I was positive. So ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ngokundenza ukuthi ndibe njalo and bring back my old happy self. Just a
Jesu Kristu.